What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Clark back at it again with another live trading session. Another live trading session. If you don't know, I do these live trades to help you guys out. I also do these live trades to journal my own trades. So, market should be opening here in this couple seconds. Make sure my sound right. All right. So we are still in a bear market. Friday looked like we moved down a little bit more. We had two moves, one move down, one move up, and then we opened up this morning with a gap down. So we're gonna see what happens here. We are on a 2-minute chart. Good morning to you guys. Friday, man, my power was out for like a good 2 hours, man. My power went out as soon as we jumped in the trade Friday. But it's all good. Shit happens, man. Shit happens. But we back at it today, man. It's Monday. Let's see what the markets want to present to us. There was a lot of volatility last week. Hopefully the power wasn't out long, right? Yeah, man, that shit was out for like 2 hours. Good morning, Monfa Matters. What it do? Good morning. Mason, what's up, man? What it do? Good morning. So yeah, man, we kind of in a bear market still. That damn 574 level, man, that shit got me Friday. That trade I got in before the damn computer went out. But it's all good, man. New week. Let's try to start the week off right with a decent trade. We're going to get this money, man. We're going to see if we can get this money. So we got Apple moving toward the downside here early. Hope that daylight savings ain't throw y'all off. Kind of threw me off a little bit. I'm straight though. I'm a morning person. Look at Apple right here. NVIDIA, AMD. Tesla moving towards the downside. See what SPY QQQ does. Went up a little bit. Now it's testing pre-market low right here. It was a big move on SPY overnight. Damn. Everything moving toward the downside. Look at this. See, we pulled back the pre-market high right here on SPY. QQQ. All right. Pulling back right here. All right, look like we pulling back toward the pre-market low. So it's a sucker strategy you can take on when you see a big down move in the market. It's a sucker strategy you could take, but so when we have a big move in the market, like a big move down, a lot of suckers think that stock's just gonna keep going down. So overnight, anybody that held SPY is gonna be selling. So you see us come down to the pre-market low, retest it, wick off of it, and you could take a quick scalp when everybody sells, but it's not really giving me the confirmation right here. But you gotta usually can only take it like at the beginning of the market. $232. I'm gonna load up Apple 225 puts. All right. I just took a light entry on Apple just because it broke the pre-market low right here and yesterday's low. I just got an Apple puts. Probably could scalp this real quick. Didn't even buy more than 3 contracts. I'm light as hell. I'm at Apple puts right now. Probably take our first trim right here if we get down there. I'm up 3% right now. My stop loss is right above the previous candle. Let's see what happens. I'm light as hell, so if we get stopped out, it won't be a big loss. It's Monday. You want to keep your size down a little bit. See what the market wants to do. See what happened right here. We're sitting at 2%. We up 2% right now. See what happens. All right, SPY still getting rejected from VWAP. Sitting at break even right now. Now I'm up 2%. Let me turn this heat up. Sitting at break even right now. Apple puts. AMD moving toward the upside. QQQ setting up right here. Got rejected off a pre-market low. See what Apple does here. I'm in light. Says SPY gonna pop. We'll see. AMD Froggy. Positive insights. All right. See if Apple holds this. We needed to break these lows right here on Apple. Sitting at break even right now. Come on, Apple, give me a little 10%, something. Yeah, we moving toward the upside. Look at this. Let it do its thing. My stop loss is up here. CKPT, RDFN. All right, let me manage this trade real quick. We'll look at that. Yeah, we moving toward the upside a little bit. Might scalp this. Tesla week. We moving up a little bit. See if it pulls back. But Apple's still holding, so let's hold up. Market is moving toward the upside, so we will scout this real quick. You said the bulls are in the market. There probably is. I still like the setup though. Bear flag. We came down. We're flagging a little bit. One good rejection, we'll push a little bit. But this weekly level, 230 weekly level, is probably where it's sitting at. Why it ain't really moving right now, but we down 1% right now. All right, we got rejected right there. All right, there goes Apple. See if we can get some more out of Apple. We up 3%. There it goes. Come on, Apple. We up 6%. We need a rejection. We're sitting at 7%. We up 7% on Apple. The bulls are in the market over here at this moment. Not saying we can switch, get rejected. NVIDIA, AMD moving up. It looks like what's moving the market. AMD and NVIDIA. We're sitting back at break even right now. Pushing up a little bit. Let's see what happens. See if we get rejected. We're sitting at break even. I'm in Apple puts right now. A little rejection. All right. Got rejected. See if we can get a push. SPY's up 8. All right, Apple's up 8% right now. Come on, man. Sitting at 6% right now. We up 6%. Good morning, Bonner. Good morning. We in Apple puts right now. Just playing the setup. We got a bear flag. We broke the pre-market low. We broke Friday's low. We up 8% right now. Yeah, SPY moving up. Y'all see that? Yeah, I'm probably about to get out of Apple. We up 8% right now. Let me scalp this. See what happens on this rejection right here. Damn, come on. Can we get a push? We got 3 wicks right here. Apple don't want to go. Still sitting at 5%. We up 5%. Still getting rejected. Let's see. Got 6% on spot calls. Damn, already? Good shit. All right, Apple getting rejected right now. There we go. 11%. I'm gonna take a trim right here. All right. Only in runners. Spot looks like you want to move to the upside a little bit. That's why I took a trim, but I'm still holding my runner. We up 10% right now on Apple puts. 576 calls. Good shit. What time is it? 9:46. I'm still up 8%. SPY getting rejected a little bit. I'm at Apple puts, guys. Apple puts. We up 11% right now. There we go, 15%. Hell yeah. Let's go, Apple. 17%. Yeah, it's pulling back now. Y'all see it? 19%. There we go. Pull back. Go ahead. Pull back. Pull back. Oh, Apple don't want to push with it. 20 seconds on this candle, guys. We pulling back. We up 15% on Apple puts. There we go. 17%. 14 seconds on this candle. All right, we're still sitting at 14%. Let's see what happens right here on this candle. See if we break this ORB at the bottom. $9:48 on the clock. We just hold them. See if SPY breaks this level right here. We're still up 8%. All right, QQQ. Pulling back. Let's go. Come on, Apple. Sitting at 13% right now. I've already took a trim. I'm only in runners. I'm up 11% right now on Apple puts. Let's see if AMD got rejected. Hell no. Damn, AMD taking off. Tesla not doing nothing. Four seconds on this candle. We still up 15%. See what happens right here. 9:50 on the clock. We still up 9% on the runners. See if we pull back some more. SPY is getting wicked right here from its highs. AMD just taking off. God damn. Anybody get any of that AMD right there? Still up 8%. See if we can break these lows right here. My stop loss on these runners right here is break even. So if we get back break even, which is right around here, right around 9 EMA, I will exit. Just want to keep this green. See if we just retesting, because this could be just a break and a retest of this level right here. But let's see. All right, we get rejected. Come on, Apple, give us some. Still up 12% on Apple puts. Hell yeah, there we go. Hell yeah. 22%. We're sitting at 22% right now. See if we keep breaking these lows. Go ahead, Apple. Hell yeah. Let's break these lows. We at 24% right now. Apple don't want to move. I did say I'm gonna take profits right here, didn't it? Yeah, this is a weekly level right here. I'm up 23%. Let's see. Apple puts. We up 25% on Apple puts right now. There we go. 27%. SPY might break and retest this pre-market low. We up 30%, 32%. Let's go. See if we can break these lows. We up 31% right now. Apple puts. Yeah, but Eric said he got 60 already. Already early. That's what I'm talking about. I'm up 31%. 16 seconds on this candle. 35%. Oh, we moving. Go ahead, SPY, if you're gonna go. All right, guys, I'm gonna take my 35% right there on Apple puts. I took profit. I'm gonna take profit right there. We'll wait on the pullback. Great first trade of the week. So we broke the ORB. We can wait for a pullback. Yeah, we could have stayed in that, but hey, I got in way up here. Most people trying to find their entries right now. I already seen we had broke pre-market low and the low of yesterday, the low of Friday. Those two levels were broken. You already know a trend is probably going to start. And all SPY did was just went up and curled and came down. Now we downtrending. So let's see what we can get off of here. We know Apple is in a downtrend. Tesla as well. What was that, 35%? Yeah. Great first trade. Nice little scalp. to start the week. You see Apple pulling back right now, so let it pull back at that weekly level right there. I like this QQQ pullback as well. So Apple's moving towards the down. I mean, QQQ is moving towards the downside. Meta's moving towards the downside. Y'all know Apple, we just hit Apple 35%. Nvidia kind of stuck in a range. Tesla, if we get a pullback on the ORB, I will be interested in Tesla. But yeah, I'll let it pull back. I got out 35%. Positive Insights. He said nice. Anybody got in that with me? Y'all probably ain't got in. Y'all probably thought the power was gonna go out again. Nah, man, that wasn't on me, man. I don't know what's up with that. I know they was doing some work. As soon as the power went out, I looked at the app, the power company app. It was like 150 people in this area without power. I guess they were doing some work down the street or something. I don't know. All right, I like this Tesla right here. Got these damn old ass levels. It's 9:56 on the clock. I'm gonna load up Tesla puts. These bitches high, boy. I'm gonna load up Tesla 230 puts. Let's see what happens right here. It's 9:57. I'm gonna go ahead and move to the 5-minute chart, guys. We're gonna move to the 5-minute chart. Could have got that pull back on Tesla on a 2-minute. Let me see. Apple got a good pullback right there. All right, we're on a 2-minute chart. So if we break and retest this bottom of this ORB right here, I will take an entry. So it's retesting right now. I got 430 puts loaded. 230 puts loaded on Tesla. Same thing as Apple. We broke pre-market low and yesterday's low. Look like they finna make the move already. Damn, I want to need a pullback. Tesla don't want to pull back for me. Look like it's already finna go. Pattern day trade. Johnny said pattern day trade. You know any ways to get around that, Clark? What you talking about, pattern day trade? I can't trade because of pattern day trade. I think I know what you're talking about. Hold up, give me 1 second. I think I do know what you're talking about. Give me 1 second. We got 9 seconds on this candle. If this Tesla, all right, guys, I'm in Tesla puts. Damn, I kind of got in late. Fuck. But we in though. Up 3%. My stop loss is the top of this candle right here that just closed. Let's see what happens. Tesla puts ain't moving. Yeah, I got in late. Damn. That's why it ain't moving. I'm only up 3% right now. I got in a little late. I damn clicked off the screen. Look at SPY pulling back a little bit. All right, we moving a little bit. We up 5% right now. The contracts was high, so we're gonna keep our stop loss intact. We up 3% right now. Yeah, exactly. You need a cash account. Are you using a cash account? Let's go, Tesla. Get the moving. What you doing? Everything else moving. Look at that pullback on QQQ. Damn. Every time I get in Tesla, QQQ make the damn move. Damn. That's a great ass pullback. Fuck. That's a textbook pullback right there. Pullback right under ORB right there. Nice entry. But we're not in that. We in Tesla puts. We up 4%. Damn, Tesla ain't moving. I got a bad feel, man. Y'all probably got a feel better feel than me. I'm only up 4% right now. There we go. 6, 7%. Come on, Tesla. We're only up 6% right now. Tesla put stop loss is the top of ORB right here. We moving. There we go. I'm up 8% right now. 9%. 10. I'm gonna take a trim right here. Guy. Just trim. We up 11% right now. Tesla puts. 13. Still sitting at 11%. Let's go. See if we can get more out of this. Still up 12%, 14%, 15%. I'm gonna bring my stop loss down at the middle of this candle. The middle of this candle right here. Actually, the top of this candle, my bad. Basically break even. I want to get some more out of this. Come on, man. Let's push. Let's get some more out of this. We up 12% right now. Bring my stop loss down at the bottom of these candles that just closed. The previous candles. It's going to pull back a little bit. We'll let it pull back. We don't want SPY to pull back in ORB though. That's what we don't want. We still sitting. We up 8% right now. Damn, every time I fucking miss QQQ. Every time I get in a Tesla, I miss QQQ. I don't know why. Every time. Still up 5% right now. Let's let it pull back. Everything is moving towards the downside. Nvidia has a great pullback under ORB. If you're looking for an entry, Apple pulled back. Yeah, we mostly moving to the downside right now. So we're gonna hold this. Let's let it pull back. Need SPY to break we need SPY to break Friday's low. This is where SPY pulled back Friday, right here. This is where SPY reversed Friday. So right here, SPY reversed right here at the same spot. Let's see what it wants to do. I already took a trim, so if we come back up to these candles, that's my stop loss. These two candles right here that just closed, I will exit. I already took a trim though. I'm up. I'm actually sitting up 2% right now. We got up to, it's about 15. I took a trim, 15%. See if we keep pulling back right here. SPY just tested that top of ORB again, got rejected. See if we can get some more bearish pressure in the market. Still sitting, I'm only up 2% right now on my Tesla runners. One minute, 50 seconds left on this candle. We pulling back. I like that on SPY. See if we can break Friday's low. We can break Friday's low. They're going to be in trouble, boy. We back up 7% on Tesla puts. Like that wick right there. Still sitting at 7% though. SPY still playing around that bottom of ORB. Waiting to see if we can get a push off of that bottom of ORB right there. QQQ got a great pullback right there. That's a great pullback. Came down, downtrending. We pulled back. It's probably gonna pull back again. How much one of bet is gonna tap that lower day, lower Friday? SPY still hasn't broke the lower Friday. Still sitting at 3% right now. $18 seconds left on this candle. We up 8%. See if we can break this low right here, this 240. We up 11%, back up 11%. See if we can break this low right here. All right, QQQ breaking it. Come on, Tesla. Tesla don't want to move. We up 13%. It's a pullback on Tesla, pullback on QQQ. We need to break the lows though. Break the lows, that'll give me good confirmation. We're gonna continue going down. We need to break this low though. Sitting at 14%. Bring my stop loss down to the top of this candle that just closed. If we hit the top of that candle, I will exit. Come on. We pulling back. We still up 12%. I'm about to take my damn 12%. Spot tripping. All right, Tesla. Every time Tesla hit 240, it just bounced back up. Don't like that level. We need to break this 240 right here. There we go. We back up 15%. 16%. Pulling back still. Let's let it do its thing. If SPY keeps rejecting the highs, it's going to dump here in a second. Still up 13% on Tesla puts. Damn. It don't want to go, man. We sitting at 15% right now. SPY going back in the ORB. Look at that shit. Might get rejected. All right, look at SPY going back in the ORB. We're still up 12% on Tesla. Stop loss is above this counter right here that just closed. I will stop out on my runners. I have already took a trim when we was at 15%. All right, SPY got rejected. See if it keeps getting rejected. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Up 8% on Tesla puts. Hopefully it ain't forming a damn bottom. You know, if we consolidate right here, form a bottom and it'll reverse. We're back up 10%. Come on, man. Let me get a push off of. SPY needs to push off of these lows right here, and we'll get a move. We up 10% right now. You said you got your 41% move down on the QQQ. I got out of that. Damn. He hit 40% on that move right there. I missed it. I should have got in though. I was looking at Tesla. Hopefully we can get a push right here. I'll be cool with Tesla. My stop loss is this pullback counter right here. Still up 8%. All right, we getting rejected. Come on, man. Still up 8%. See if we can get a push. Shit probably gonna hit my stop. Sitting at my stop right now. Finger on the trigger. I'm sitting at 1% right now on my runners. Sitting at my stop right now. We got 15%. I'm back up 4%. We got 15% out of the runners. I mean, out of the the first trim. Now we only in runners. It's sitting at my stop loss though. We up 3%, but this is my stop. I want to keep this trade green. I'm still in. Still see if we get rejected right here. Hopefully we do. If not, it's all good. All right, SPY got rejected once again. If it break back in the ORB, we gonna be good. We still up 5% though on the runners. Come on, Tesla, give me a move. Love basketball. He said, thanks. I did a 564 5 puts on QQQ. Hell yeah. I know that QQQ was a great move right there, man. It's all good though. We back up 12% on Tesla puts. It looked like it pulled back. Hopefully it pulled back all the way and we can get a move now. 12%. We up 12%. Hopefully it don't just sit here and then move sideways for a couple hours. All right, Tesla. We up 14%. Tesla puts. We're gonna break low and fly. Oh yeah. There it goes right there. 16%. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I told y'all it was gonna go 21%. See if we can get some more. 22%. Let's go. Let's see if we can get some more out of it. Sitting at 20% right now. See what these other stocks doing. Did we reverse or did we pull back? A little bit. I'm still sitting at 19% right now. Probably about to take my money in a minute. Give me 1 second. About to take my 20% here in a minute. We at 18% right now. But that was a decent pullback. We held through the pullback. It should push a little bit more. But I'm probably being greedy right now. I'm up 21%. All right, it's 45 seconds on this counter. There we go. 24%. All right, guys. I took my 24% right there on Tesla puts. I took my 24% right there. I ain't trying to be greedy. Get my money. Shit. Hey, we up today. I ain't gonna cap. We up today, baby. Hell yeah. Tesla near support. Yeah, I got out. We out of there. Good shit, boy. That's a good first. That's a good 2 trades. So 21% on Tesla puts. We got in right at the break of the ORB right here. Got 21% out of that. Look at this NVIDIA. Should we take another trade? Because I see something looking good. God damn. I don't know why my fucking charge be fucking up like this. The Tesla keep going. Look at that shit right there. SPY is in between Friday's low and pre-market low. That's why it ain't really made the move yet. It's got to get between those levels. There's some decent price action though, because last week, damn, stocks would have been up and down and shit. Damn, look at that QQQ, man. Tesla still going. That was a nice move on QQQ. Nvidia just made the move that I just was looking at. Yeah, man, we straight on the day. I ain't even gonna cap. That was 2 green shade. Tesla clones are always high because it can swing $30 either way. Hell yeah, you right about that. That's why I don't be caring. I'll hold the hell out of Tesla because I know the kind of move it can make. Now I probably got out early. That's just because I'm day trading. I'm trying to get my money and get out. But if you hold it the whole day, Tesla probably make a big old move today. Not even gonna lie to you. But I just put enough size in to be okay with it. Goddamn, I'm good with making goddamn at least 500, 600. I'm good with making that off of one trade. Shit, I'm okay with that. I ain't that greedy. True makes sense, and it didn't mean the QQQ. I mean, I made a move on SPY. Oh, okay. The SPY, what you got in SPY puts? I wasn't in SPY puts. I was in Tesla, but you could have made the same move. But y'all see how I use SPY and QQQ while I'm in my Tesla trade. So if I see SPY and QQQ getting rejected, Tesla's probably about to get rejected or move down. That's why I use SPY and QQQ. 565 SPY puts. All right, love basketball. Hell yeah. All green trades today, man. All green trades. What time is it? 10:23. All green trades today. That's what I'm talking about. I had a long weekend, man. To be honest, I just now opened up my laptop late last night. I just opened my laptop late last night. But that's how we get in the market and get that money, though. That's how we do it. Start the week off right. That was a good ass early entry on Apple, though. But what if we would have caught that? Caught it up here. Caught that whole move. Only reason I took this Apple trade is because I told y'all my A+ setup is when we break pre-market low and pre-market high. That is my A+ setup. I don't even, to be honest, I don't even go by the ORB. When pre-market low and pre-market high, pre-market low and Friday's high, the previous day's low breaks. I keep saying high. The low or the high. If both of them break early, I'm gonna take the entry on a pullback. Always, even if it's light. Just because I know what kind of move it can make if we break the lows or the highs. I'm always gonna take that entry. Now, Friday, I think I took the same kind of entry, but I was trying to get in goddamn calls on damn SPY, and we got rejected at that 574 over here. So the trade, it can't always go your way, you know what I'm saying? But the majority of the time, you want it to go your way, and you want to keep your losses way smaller than your wins. What is the pink color line? That is the ORB. That is the ORB, the open range breakout. All the open range breakout is the top and the bottom of a 15-minute candle right here. and how you put the open range breakout on your chart. I don't know what chart you're using, but you just go to your indicators, go to ORB. Oh shit, I didn't put a second one on there. But yeah, you go to ORB, go to your settings. Mine are pink. Yours don't have to be pink. I just keep mine pink so I can see the level. I like bright colors, so I can see that pink. You want to put 15, session time 9:30, 9:45. Want to put 1 minute, then 15, then press OK, and they'll bring out your 15-minute ORB. All the 15-minute ORB is basically giving you the range for that day. So that first 15 minutes is the range for that day. So if we break above the range, we're most likely going to be trending up. So you want to get in calls, but you want to pass the ORB and pull back, get a pull back to it, and then you catch the trade off of the pullback. That's all the ORB is. Not saying it's 100%. It's not 100%, but it works most of the time. You just got to know how to play it. But I use the ORB along with the other stuff. You know what I'm saying? I use the ORB along with a pullback, along with tapping 9 EMA, along with it passing a level. I use ORB along with other stuff. You know what I'm saying? You say you're looking for a SPY. You're looking for a SPY. Eric said he's looking for a SPY entry right now. Clark, you got to try the 5. You will like it. I might try it. I thought about it the other day. The 5-minute ORB. You be hitting off of that 5-minute ORB? I might try it. But do you get the trend? Like once you hit off the ORB, do you trend? Like, does the trend start? Because my problem was a couple months ago. My problem was I kept getting into the chop. I was never heavy in the chop, but I always got caught in the chop. You know what I'm saying? So I went back to that ORB. I used to use the ORB a lot, but I just stopped using it. But I went back to it, and it's kind of helping me a little bit with the chop, not catching the chop. So, trading with y'all helping me as much as I'm helping y'all. If you don't know, y'all are helping me. Shit, I like trading with a community or a couple people or something because it keeps me intact. It keeps me I abide by my rules. When I trade by myself, I can break a lot of rules. You know what I'm saying? But if I know what I shouldn't be doing, I know I ain't gonna do that if I'm live with y'all. You know what I'm saying? So y'all is helping me out. I ain't gonna cap. I could have been taking a lot of stupid trades. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for that. Y'all help me goddamn make the goddamn best trades that we can find. I don't just be looking at everything. Yeah, it's a difference, man. It's a big difference. When it's just you at this chart, nobody else. Not saying I could take my own trades, but still. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Look at Broadcom. He said, Clark, I think that first little pink line is the 5-minute ORB, then the little longer line is the 15-minute. That's what using. I was thinking that. Because when let me show you. Because when the market starts, let me see if I can go back. Like, say right here. Like, you see those little lines right there? I be wondering, because one day I fucking took a trade off of this shit thinking it was the 15-minute ORB. That's why I be looking at the clock. I wait till 9:45, and then I get on I just go to the 15-minute chart over here on my other screen, and I make sure it's breaking, you know what I'm saying? But see, like right here, I just replayed this. You see how it's already showing 2 pink lines? So I'm guessing that's the 5-minute. You know what I'm saying? That got to be the 5-minute. I'm guessing. Damn, man. Damn. I don't know. Actually, that's the 15-minute because 5, 10, 15. Let me get on the 2-minute real quick. Where's the replay function? All right. Yeah, see, look at this. In the first 5 minutes, what trade could you have taken? Y'all help me out right here. I'm not a great early entry trader. If I get in early, I probably got lucky. If I win on the early entry, I probably got lucky. I'm more of I need at least 10, 15, 20 minutes to look and see what the market doing. I've burned myself a lot, goddamn. Um Getting in early. It's because the 15 is outside of the 5. All right. So look at here right here. This is 2 minute. That's 5 minutes right there. You probably got to change to the 5. So you probably got to go back to the settings and use the 5. But if it was me, I wouldn't. Yeah, you probably go back to the settings and use the 5. But if I add it to my chart, I probably add it later on today. I'll probably put it a different color, put 2 ORBs up there, put 1.5, 1.15. But I got to work my way into that though, because I don't like taking early entries, man. I get burned a lot taking early entries, and then it just throws off my day, man. If I take a first red trade, I gotta chill because it'll trade the messes with your confidence, man. Shit, I ain't the only one that it fucking messes with. You take fucking, I think it was like shit last week. I had a 2 week. I think I had like a 9-day win streak. I think Thursday I fucking broke it. Cause I took a damn trade off of ORB. I hit the top of ORB, didn't really break it. I just was anxious, ready to trade that day, and hey, it costs us. But I take every loss as a lesson, man. I take every loss as a lesson. But yeah, man, market kind of just doing its thing right now. We got a little, I'm pretty sure it probably gonna make a move under this weekly level, this 564 right here. So if you wanted to trade SPY, I would take a trade coming off of this level. It's probably about to make it right now. Look at that pullback on QQQ. But we did get 35% out of what did we trade first? Let me go to my history. All right, we was in Apple. So Apple, we got filled. I got filled on Apple at 178 a contract. When we sold those contracts, each contract was 238. So we got 35% on that. And then on Tesla puts, we got 21% out of Tesla puts. So that was a great trade. I want to break these down real quick. This is just for me, so I can go back over it. You say you in on SPY? Okay. Trading with y'all is helping my confidence every day. I'm getting better and better. Oh yeah, man. Hey, when you see them greens on your oh damn. You hit up SPY, I told y'all under that. Now all you gotta do is wait for a retest. I didn't take it though. But yo, so you see this pullback right here on QQQ? You see we went down, 1, 2, 3. Like this is a pullback candle. But if it keeps pulling back, you keep using that. So if a candle passes that, you just keep using the pullback candle. So this was the last pullback candle. And then you enter right there. So you could have held that. If you would have got in right here, you could have held it into pre-market. Stop loss, 9 EMA or stop loss Friday's low. But yeah. Let me go over this Apple trade real quick. So the only reason I took this Apple trade is because we opened up, went up, retested that 200 moving average that we've been on all morning, came down, pulled back. First pullback, I got in right here. We broke the pre-market low, broke the pre-market low and Friday's low. Pulled back right here. I got in right after the pullback. Good 35% out of that right there. And then on Tesla, you in on SPY. Oh yeah, ooh, y'all finna get it. Hopefully it don't break back in on 564. Yeah. I didn't get in, man. Shit, I already took my 2 trades for the day. I'm straight. I don't try to take more than 3 trades unless it's a good fucking trending day. I'm cool with I'm cool. I don't be greedy. I just wait till the next day, make some more money. Wait till the next day, make some more money. Might lose one day, lose a little bit, but try to get another green day. You're gonna lose in the market. Everybody, y'all should know that. You're gonna lose sometime. But that spot looking good, boy. Y'all better stay in that. That spot looking good. And what I took that Tesla. Tesla I took on a 5-minute chart. This is this is how I use the ORB today on Tesla. The ORB is this pink line. So on the 15-minute right now, the top and the bottom of the 15-minute candle, I went down to the 5-minute because I used the 5-minute chart at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. I go to the 5-minute chart. Soon as the market open, we trended down. So we had already been trending down overnight. You see this? This is why I watched the pre-market. So 8:15, 8:30 in the morning, I'm watching this right here. I'm seeing what this doing all day. So when it opens up, if it give me signs that we still in that same trend, hell yeah, I'm jumping in. See what I'm saying? We still in that same downtrend. So we in a downtrend. Actually, we broke the ORB. I let it break the ORB. I let it do this little right here. It went back up, retested. Here's my entry right here. This containment candle right here. This is a containment pullback candle. This candle right here never passed the previous candle. That's how you know it's a pullback candle. There's my entry. Got in right there. We pulled back a little bit. Got a little bit more. Got 21%. And I think this candle right here, that's when I got out. But yeah, man, that was a decent trade. Yeah, SPY might pull back a little bit. Y'all better watch that. That 564 is a weekly level, so it could be retesting. We already retested up here, so up here, this consolidation right here is a strong level, so we probably gonna bounce right there. I'll stay with y'all on this trade, see what y'all got of it. Oh, it's wicking. That consolidation right here. This is a great example, man. This is the break of the ORB. So that consolidation right there is showing you can sit there and wait, let it consolidate, let it do all that. And once it break off of that damn ORB, that's when you get in. And then your stop loss is the break of ORB. So if we go back into ORB and close in ORB, exit. But if it was me, I might risk a little bit more on my stop. I'll have the stop sitting here in between ORB right here at that pre-market low. But that's just me. Let me stop talking before I fuck up y'all mindset on that trade. I don't want to fuck y'all up. I like when y'all can take trades by yourself. That's my whole objective, man. I want everybody to make money and be able to open that laptop every day and make money yourself, make money for your family, your kids. You know what I'm saying? You ain't even gotta leave the house. Get out the bed, get on your laptop, make money every day. That's my whole objective, man. I just want to help people do this shit, man, because when I found this shit, it was a game changer for me, man. Not even gonna lie. Financial freedom is one of the best positions you can be in, man. Especially in the world we live today. But yeah, we rejecting right here on SPY, man. That's a good trade. That next candle might dump. Let's see. Y'all probably already up. But Johnny said he's still in. All right. It's at a weekly level, so it could pull back. I would wait on the pullback after 564, but there it goes. I'll be right back. See what everything else doing. Look at that Amazon. Look at all them wicks right there. Went down. Got rejected on Friday's low. Went up. Got wicked 3 times. That move down probably gonna be the move right there on Amazon. There it is. Damn, I called a damn play as soon as I that damn sat down. I called a play as soon as I sat down. Damn, Apple. Look at that. Look at Google. Same play off the ORB. Sit here, let it do its thing. Let the ORB break. As soon as we broke ORB, retest it, take a move right off of ORB. Put. That's a good pullback right there. Same thing I did on Tesla. Same move. It's sitting at that weekly level, man. That's why it ain't really pushing through. I'm gonna subscribe to the You Go Live everyday day trading. Yes, sir. Every day the market open, I'm open. Every day the market open, I'm open. There it goes. Y'all should get the move right now if y'all still in SPY. I need to write that down. Hey, y'all hit me a like, man, while y'all in here too, man. Let me get a like. Who is calling me? Department of Veterans. I gotta take this call, man. I got a VA call. Give me 1 second. Look. Okay. Give me 1 second. I hope y'all still in that spot trade, boy. Y'all gotta be up by now. It closed at 17%. All right. I'm on the phone right now. Give me 1 second. So you got 17% out of that spy. All right. I'm on the phone, man. My bad. But y'all see it's still pulling back. Look at that. That's why I told y'all when the trend starts, it's gonna be there for a minute. So if you ain't scared of the pullback, just sit and just keep getting let it get pulled back. Just keep getting more money. You know what I'm saying? But all right, guys, I'm finna end it right here, man. I'll be back in the morning, 9:30 a.m. sharp. Y'all know how we do. We took 2 trades today. Apple, we hit 35%. Tesla, we hit 21%. But I'll be back tomorrow, guys. Great way to start the week. And I hope you guys have a great day. Y'all take it easy.